Morning all. So the time is, what time is it? It's 8:30 in the morning. And I'm going to go for a ride to the cheese shop at Springbrook. And the worst part about it is I'm going to have to navigate the M1, the freeway, which I do not like. So we're going to take a little bit of the back road. So instead of following it straight ahead here, we're going to turn left. We'll go down past the Helensvale light rail station, Helensvale train station. We'll also see a bit of the new Coomera Connector that's getting constructed. You can't see it, you can maybe see a crane over here. Gold Coast Highway that we're on, Brisbane Road, and you'll see all the construction here. So a new bridge is being constructed and the new connector goes under the old bridge. I'm not sure whether they're going to demolish the existing bridge or build a new one, don't know. So it's going to come down through here, cross over this road and continue down that way. So I don't know how they're going to do that. I guess it's going to be a flyover. It'll go over the top of us here, I think. Thank you. So I think what's going to happen is this is going to be elevated slightly. I don't know how high. Oh, the road's closed. Hello.
The road will be closed here for a good long while, so you're going to have to go back.
Oh, okay. Is that going to be for days or just a couple of hours?
2027.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. So you just go back around.
Yeah, I know where to go, but I didn't realise it was shut. Anyway, thank you very much. Have a good day. Thank you. Oh well, so that road is now shut. Alright, well, the roadworks for the Coomera Connector is well underway. Normally, where I got stopped by that lady and gentleman back there, I would go ahead to the roundabout, turn right, cross over the bridge over the railway line and come into the back of Westfield Helensvale. But she said that's all closed till 2027. So, well, there are a lot of people that live up there, so I don't know what's going on. I guess they have to, I don't know what they're going to do. There'll have to be some access into the residential area. Anyway, I guess I'll find out in the fullness of time. Well, that was nice, because normally you sit here for bloody 5 minutes because the flow of traffic is for Brisbane Road. So you can see a new bridge getting built there. So So I don't know whether they're going to demolish this one and replace it with that or what, don't know. Or they're going to have two. It's all happening, that's all I can say. Well, let's just go and have a look. I'll show you where I would have come out had I been allowed. So this is the entrance to Westfield Helensvale. Normally I come in the back way just to avoid the traffic. And you go, that's where I was over there. Normally less traffic. It's busy early in the morning, but all of the commuters, the workers, I think you see the car parks are full, so they've already travelled there. So I normally come in just up around the corner here. You see a bridge on the right, or a road on the right, a bit further up. Looks like they've shut it down as well. So you can see the exit on the left, or the entry. That's where I'd normally go, but that's shut. So it looks like it's going to be shut till 2027. So I wonder where the residents are going to get in, because there was, well, for the last few years there's only been two ways. The one I went first when I was stopped, and the other one's this way. Go over that bridge and then turn right when you get over the bridge. I don't know what's happening. So the only thing I can think is the third way, which has been shut for a number of years, is up here on the left. A bridge. They constructed a bridge and then demolished part of it, or demolished the whole thing. So it looks like that's the only way in and out. Yeah, it is. Here it is here. So, as I said, there was a bridge here, and they constructed it and then shut it down a couple of years ago. It was hardly open at all. And then built a new bridge. I guess the one they had originally built wasn't big enough, wide enough, tall enough, whatever, for the new Coomera Connector. So they demolished it and built this one. Okay. So the usual access was into this estate for the last couple of years has been down this road here on the right. Well, there you go. And where that truck is coming out there, that's a new home unit estate, I think, right next to the connector, Coomera Connector. You'd would have hoped that they've got nice, tall, effective sound barriers. Alright, well there you go. As the lady said, to 2027, so that's another 2 years, 2.5 years probably. Alright. Okay, well that was an interesting bit of exploration.